Hi, how are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How about you?
Fine.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am, I sure will.
Oh, thank
Sure
you.
will. So I see what time.
Thank you for sending me rose.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
So, where are you from?
I'm from the States.
United States. Okay. So, you are Hiza. How about the weather there? There is cold
Rainy.
or rainy?
Rainy. No.
Because
No, yeah, rainy.
I asked you that because you are warm clothes.
Because of my hoodie.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Is it
Oh, I just left a hospital. It was cold in the hospital.
right now you are in hospital?
What'd you say?
Right
Oh,
now?
no, I was earlier. I was at one.
Oh, okay, okay, okay. You feel nice today?
Nice.
Yeah. You feel good today?
So, not being the best of my days, but I'm trying to still make the best of it.
Okay, okay. So, your name? What's your name?
Marie.
Mari. Your name is Mari.
Marie.
Okay, Mari. So do you know what's my name?
Is no, how do you pronounce it? Sahabo?
Yeah, it's right. But from now, my name is me. You are Mary and me.
And you're me.
Yeah, you marry, you marry and me. Right now, you're taking rest at your home.
Yeah, hey Smooth, yeah. I'm taking a break. I
Oh,
had a long morning.
okay, okay, okay.
What are you doing? Working?
Nothing. I'm just spending time here, meeting new people and talking with strangers like you.
Your shades are nice.
My glasses? Yeah. Tell me how about my glasses?
Yeah, I like your glasses.
Oh, really? Thank you, thank you. Is it rain in your side?
Yes.
Oh, okay.